Hello children, today we will learn the alphabets with phonic sounds. The phonic sounds must be read daily in the early stage of reading. A says A, B says B, C says K, D says D, E says E, A, F says F, G says G, H says H, I says E, J says J, K says K, L says L, M says M, N says N, O says O, P says P, Q says Q, R says R, S says S, T says T, U says U, V says V, W says V, X says Y says Y, Z says Z. Let's recall these phonic sounds again. In the early stage of reading, we must read daily these phonic sounds. Thank you. Please don't forget to like,